Do you like coffee?
Your coffee machine is actually not making coffee. It is forcing hot water through coffee using pressure. Ever wondered how coffee makers work? Let's break it down. This is the water reservoir. It stores fresh water for brewing. The heating element warms the water to the perfect brewing temperature. The pump pushes hot water through the system. Ground coffee is placed here for brewing. Hot water is evenly sprayed over the coffee grounds. The brewed coffee collects here, ready to serve. This keeps your coffee warm after brewing. Together, these parts work in harmony, making sure your coffee machine brews a perfect cup every time.
Subscribe for more Infogear Lab.